What's up, everybody? Here is a Tier 1 case that I got blasted for. I did a 101 promo, hit a 101, and you get a case of Tier 1. In case of multiples, you had to split. And what you know, there's goddamn 3 of them there, 101s that come right out. Paul got Jake Lamb Diamondbacks 101, so Paul gets the first 4 boxes. Then we traveled on a few boxes, and Matt hit a Frank Thomas, hell yeah, 1 of 1 Signature Tools autograph. And then, if that wasn't enough, the last card of the break, Mark for the Mets peeled a 101 as well. So in that order, we're going to break 4 boxes for Paul, 4 boxes for Matt, and 4 boxes for Mark. Congrats, guys. You say run it back? I say cool. I'll do that, and I'm going to double the spot guy price. All right, so the first 4 are going to be Paul's. God, that was hilarious. You got it, Matt. No problem, man. Right? All right. These are Paul's 4. Jose Ramirez to 245. Johnny Damon, number to 90. And number to 335, Brantley. Ian Happ to 270. To 25, Felix Jorge. Oder, 335. Number to 100, Dominic Smith. Number to 270, Galarraga. Number to 335, Buster Posey. Chris Bryant for Paul. Bronze ink. Jose Canseco to 285. 335, Ben Zobrist. And number to 175, Pedro Martinez. That was Paul's Sweet Sweet Nectar. Next up is Matt. Good luck, Matt. Oh, poor guy. Paul's like first day back. You guys are busting his balls. Savages, man. Savages. Trey Mancini to 225. Number to 275, Luis Castillo. And 335, Dallas Keuchel. Oh my God, Nancy, I'd be broke. Ian Happ, 1 of 1. There you go, Matt. Nice freebie. Number to 10, Garrett Cooper. Ian Happ to 335. Are you kidding me? Oh, hell no, it ain't no 2 more cases. These are the free case. These are the free boxes. Victor Robles, number to 295. Tommy Pham to 275. Buxton to 335. Hanley Ramirez Batnob. And Ian Happ 101. 275, Mihaha. Michael Fulmer to 275. Number to 335, Ian Kinsler. And number to 30, Jackie Robinson. Have yourself a free roll, son. Congrats, Matt. Wow. Congrats indeed. And last 4 boxes for Mark. That is insane, man. And good luck, Mark. Number 98, Dennis Eckersley. Number 275, Ryan McMahon. And Josh Donaldson to 335. Number 10, David Price. 275, Tommy Pham. AJ Pollock to 335. Rondon to 100. Number 275, Sam Travis. And Cody Bellinger to 335. Well, that's not good. Bronze ink, Clint Frazier for the Yankees. Number 275, Garrett Cooper. And Steven Souza to 335. And that was the free box. Thank you all. Appreciate it, guys.